Ladies and gentlemen, can I have your attention, please? At this point, you'll be going through a data block. This to ensure you are...
It's a fact that statistically, 11% of you are afraid of the dark. 34% are terrified of small spaces, and 3% will wet your pants at the sight of a stupid clown. However, in a situation like this, the fascinating thing is not fear itself, but the pleasure we glean from it. That's what ghost trains are really about. It's not about being petrified, it's about being immersed in a fantasy and being thrilled by it. It's an enjoyment we discover at a very young age. Okay, none of you look very scared. This, though, is one of the first games that we play with babies. How weird that we like to scare them. Obviously, it'll be a tougher job to scare you. So, you've made it this far, and therefore you'll be people who like to break rules and act outside the norm. You're drawn to risk-taking, and like many of us, you like a fright. You like the pattern of tension and release that tests your mettle and makes your heart race. But why? Why do we love to be scared? Why do we pay to go to the cinema and then spend half the movie hiding our eyes? Why do we feel fear? And why is it so often closely related to laughter and enjoyment? Well, fear is in our DNA. In evolutionary terms, it's actually incredibly healthy. Without it, your ancestors wouldn't have been here long enough to survive and pass on the genes to you that define you. It's good for you. So perhaps it's essential that we enjoy fear, and many of us certainly do enjoy it. The reason is because it triggers our fight or flight response. Most people associate this with adrenaline, but it also causes a flood of endorphins and dopamine, often referred to as the brain's feel-good chemical, stuff which thrill seekers like you have an insatiable appetite for. So today then, you are going to find yourselves in a unique adventure, and I want you to really immerse yourselves in this experience, and then afterwards discuss it with each other. You might find you end up questioning your own perceptions and memories. But though, can I ask you to keep what happens on the ride a secret? Please join in with that. Be part of the secret. It's much more fun if you don't know what's coming. And for those of you who aren't remotely scared by this, that's okay, just enjoy yourself. For others though, if you begin to feel like you are slipping down the rabbit hole and everything is just too much for you, then close your eyes. It'll be easy. Don't try and get up out of your seat, that is not safe. Just close your eyes if it gets too much. And if you think you know what a ghost train is, think again. This is the ghost train reimagined. This is my ghost train. I'll see you on the other side.
Train is about to depart. All aboard. Make your way on 46 quickly traffic, guys.
Hello. Let's get on as quick as possible, guys. Find any of us. Protective eyewear on as soon as possible, please. Eyewear on as soon as possible.
People my head now.
Just so you can see what's going on.
Just close your eyes.
Sorry? You just have to move it.
Oh, okay.
Just
Guys, you're fine, don't worry. If you could just move to this one here, that one may have some difficulties, okay?
No,
Quixie Campers, Madam, thank you ever so much.
Serena, are you there?
Oh, yeah, where's that? I need this Titan, it's too heavy. Oh my god. Oh god, is yours green?
Yeah.
With an eye on it. Really quiet.
Oh my god.
Far away, like you're on your own.
Where are you? There.
I can't hear anything.
Where are you?
I can't hear anything. Can you?
Yeah.
I can't hear anything.
I don't think you're meant to hear anything just yet, madam. If you still have problems, let me know, okay?
You can hear stuff.
A dog's barking.
Really quietly though.
Oh my god, don't go that way! Oh fuck!
I can't see anything.
It's a zombie! It was a zombie! No, I'm really
Something
scared!
just touched me.
Oh,
You're
it's
still
a
having problems,
It's
madam?
like, I can't really hear anything.
Okay, no worries, do you want to move to that one over there?
Fuck.
Sorry, it's just coming.
Yeah, that's better. Yeah.
Awesome, thank you very much.
Sean.
Ah! Why touch me? We're not allowed to stand up, Sean. We're not allowed to stand up, are we? I'm really scared that a zombie's gonna come in here!
Oh my god.
Oh my god! Oh god, that's so intense.
I've got a hand on this wheel. What was that on our legs? I had my eyes closed.
Ladies and gentlemen, please take off your headsets. Please take off your headsets. We need to evacuate the train. Take off your headsets.
Stand up, please. Everyone stand up, please.
Stand up.
Come on guys, on the train as quick as you can. Come on guys, hurry up as quick as you can.
Now towards me. As quickly as possible.
Gentlemen,
as you can, please.
Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to take your headsets off, will remain seated, please.
Stay seated for me.
I don't know, the headset the first time I glitched out a tiny bit. It kept to this weird thing where like it looked like I suddenly shot off and all like trains span around.
Like, stand up for me, ladies and gentlemen. It's not to make your way through this door here.